Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining again. Today I have an exciting video. I got sent this package here from Praktic. It is a sister brand to Sigma Beauty. And yeah, they sent this to me to review for you guys. So let's just see. They sent a few different things here. The first thing they sent is a makeup brush cleaning tool. So you can see Praktic by Sigma Beauty. It is a brush cleaning tool, adjustable, universal fit. This is the Palmat. They are 100% cruelty-free. This retails for $9.95. So under 10 bucks. That's awesome. And you get a free 2-year warranty. So that's cool. I will show you guys this after. The next, here. They also sent me the Sigma Magic brush shampoo. So I'll try this out when we clean some brushes. But first, I don't have any makeup on because they sent me this guy here. I'm so excited. This is the Praktic by Sigma Beauty, the Power Blender. I'm excited to try this. It says, let's blend, wet, squeeze, and bounce to perfect blending using the curved side and base, using the flat surface for precise contouring, highlighting, and setting. The super pointed tip is ideal for application and concealing. So, I'm going to try this out first. Let's open it up. See how it feels. It feels nice. I'll have to wet it and see. All right, so I got it wet. It actually got quite a bit bigger. It feels nice. So I'm going to mix up my foundation. I already primed and moisturized and everything. I'm going to mix up my Dior Forever 24-hour foundation with some Cover FX custom cover drops because it is a little too dark. So I will be back when that's mixed. All right, so I have my foundation mixed up. I'm just going to start by kind of dotting that all over my face. All right, now we're gonna grab the Power Blender. All right, so I have my foundation all mixed in. I think it feels really nice. It's big, it's squishy. It moves the product around really, really well. Let's see how it conceals. For concealer, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I have been absolutely loving this stuff. So I'm just going to do a few dots. And I'm going to take the flat side now. All right. That worked really nice. I like how pointy it is. You can really get right up in under the eye and into that corner, like really nicely. And same within the nose, like you can really get it in there. So now I'm also going to use it to set, and I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty setting powder. So we're just gonna dip it right in with that flat side there. All right, we are all set. I'm going to quickly finish the rest of my face and I'll be back to talk to you guys a little bit more. All right, I have the rest of my face on. I gotta say, I really like this sponge. It's gonna give the Beauty Blender a run for its money. Definitely. It applied everything beautifully. It's big, it's squishy. It gets into all those little lines. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on the rest of my face, it is things from the ColourPop Disney, or not Disney, the Villains collection. So I will leave that video linked up in here and you can go check that out. Back to Praktic. We talked about the Power Blender. It is amazing. Now let's try to clean some brushes. So I'm going to open up the Palmat. Again, this retails for $9.99. It is 100% cruelty free and you do get a free 2-year warranty on it. And again, they did send me this to review for you guys. I do have a link because I am an affiliate with them. I will try to leave that linked down below for you guys. So this is what it is. Let's open it up here. All right, I got it open. So it's got these little suction cup things here. I think that you can put into your sink so it doesn't move, and you can just do that. It's got these little things, button things on the side. Let's close that because I think you put it over your hand is what that picture was showing me. Yeah, okay. So you close these little snaps on the side and then you can put your fingers through like this and then run it under the water and scrub your brushes. So I'm gonna bring this upstairs and try to film cleaning a brush. Okay, so I suctioned it to my sink and I did put a little bit of this Sigmagic brush shampoo onto my brush. Now we'll just start scrubbing. Look, you can see all the foundation coming out of there. Holy. Let's get some water running. All right, so that cleaned this brush beautifully. This is IT Cosmetics. It's the foundation brush. It cleaned it amazingly. So, and I'll do this little eyeshadow brush here. So I already have it wet and with the cleaner on. All right, that cleaned these brushes so they look like new again. That's amazing. All right, so I showed you the demo and everything. I absolutely love the Palmat. It made cleaning my brushes so easy, and especially with that Sigmagic brush shampoo cleaner stuff. The blender, everything is just amazing. Thank you, Praktic, for sending me this. And thank you all for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you would like to be notified, you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.